Still struggling with creating traditional 2D printed manuals? Photographs, hand-drawn images, and screenshots are expensive, time-consuming, and difficult to update, leaving users confused and frustrated. But what if your instructions could come to life? Meet Cadasio. Transform your CAD designs into interactive 3D presentations that users can rotate, zoom, and explore from any angle. No more static images or confusing diagrams. Just clear, step-by-step instructions on any device. With Cadasio, creating manuals is simple. You can hide and show objects, add annotations, create steps, and publish your content online. Dedicated CAD add-ins, libraries, publishing tools, and analytics ensure that creating and updating your presentations is effortless. You don't need to be an engineer or CAD professional to use Cadasio. Its clean, modern interface is easy to use and quick to learn. And because it runs in the browser, there's no need for expensive hardware or complex installations. Changes in your CAD are effortlessly revised in Cadasio, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date information. While we believe 3D is the future for instructions, from your existing projects, Cadasio also lets you create custom 2D layouts to publish images and PDFs without any additional software. Companies like yours have seen paper usage and printing costs drop by 33%, while cutting document creation time from 6 weeks to just 1. The results speak for themselves, but don't just take our word for it. Visit our website to see how other users are benefiting from switching to Cadasio. Add a new dimension to your technical communications with Cadasio. Start today with a free account at cadasio.com.